Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to control the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So first thing first, this is my AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation right here. And you want to make sure that it is connected to your device, and then you go to settings, and then inside settings you click on your AirPods 4 settings, and then right here is where you have all the controls. So you have call controls, and then you have the head gesture. So first let's go over the call controls. So with the call controls, you have press once to answer your calls and press once also to mute and unmute your microphone, and then press twice to end your call. Now, one thing to note, if you change mute and unmute to press twice, the end call will change to press one. So you can't have these two right here to be the same though. So that's just one thing for you to note. So for me personally, I rather to have it as press once to mute and unmute and then press twice to end the call. I just think that's more natural to me. And then for the head gestures, if you scroll down, you have head gestures and you have up and down to accept and reply, and side to side to decline and dismiss. So for me personally, I rather to keep it as this, because personally I just see accept as me saying yes and decline as me saying no, and usually a yes is up and down and a no is side to side. But if you want, you could change it around and change accept and reply to side, and then that will automatically change decline and dismiss to be up and down. So you can't have these two right here to be the same. You also, if you go to the control panels and press and hold while it's connected, so let me just put one in my ear real quick.
A few moments later.
So while it's connected and you go to the control center and you press and hold on the AirPods, you can turn on spatial audio while you're listening to a music. So the moment I go to listen to a music, let me go to Apple Music real quick, and once I start listening to a music, I can press and hold and change my spatial audio to either be fixed, head track, are off. For me personally, I like head track. Some people might find that to be distracting, so you can always use the fix either way. And you can also control the volume here. So one thing to note, you can't control it on the AirPods themselves like how you would do on the AirPods Pro 2. So that's just one feature that you're missing out when you get the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So those are all the control, guys. Let me know if this video was helpful to you down below in the comment section, and also like this video if this video was helpful. Feel free to ask any questions about how to control your AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation down below in the comment section. And also subscribe to this channel for more videos on the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. And also subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of November. So subscribe so we can get there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.